Hello. Today, let's talk about the brand new Apple 42 or 46 millimeters sage gray, or of course, it's possible in caramel or navy magnet link Apple Watch bands. Really cool because it works with magnetic force. Oh, yeah. It's made from double micro twill. The magnetic link with a fine woven has a soft, suede-like feel. It wraps elegantly around the wrist and magnetically attached with molded magnets that gently flex to help them maintain security and comfort throughout all day. You can feel it is really like like, but it is polyester and magnets. Really cool band. Often people says that they has lost the Apple Watch from the wrist, but this is often only because it is in the opposite direction band installation process. Okay, because you have here the band. The band, in my case, this is the gray band and green area. That means in the inlet is gray, and the outer area, this is the good side, which you can show, is the green one, for example. And if you see, if I get the bands in position, you can see it does not matches so good because it flips over. And that's not good, yeah? But if I'm going to rotate it and get this in the right direction, that means the long band on the upside, the short band on the bottom side, it stays there. Okay, you see? Good job. Side band effect, same. Good. To open, slide them up. Okay, this was the theory behind that. Then we have the area which we have to connect it to the Apple Watch. There are 3 black dots. And on the other side, we have 2 black dots. That means we can see directly, without looking at the band itself, where is the outside and where is the inside. The inside is every time the area where the 2 black dots are. Okay? So now let's move to the assembly. Here, this is the Apple Watch Series 11. The Apple Watch Series 11 is the same like the other Apple Watches out there, because the matching of this band to your Apple Watch included of the Ultra, it is compatible with the Ultra's model on the market, is so. If you buy this case size of 46 millimeter, like shown here, for example, this is the Apple Watch Series 11 with 46 millimeter titanium, is compatible with the case size 46 millimeter band, of course. The band size can be S or M and M and L. And additionally is compatible, this one is compatible with 44 millimeter Apple Watches, 45, 46, and 49 millimeters. So included the Ultra. If you buy the magnetic side of gray magnetic link, for example, for 42 millimeter size, it is compatible to 38 millimeter Apple Watch models, 40, 41, and 42 millimeters. So you have 2 versions on the market of that band, which is compatible to all the Apple Watch models out there. The smaller version is compatible to the Apple Watch models 38 millimeter up to 42, and the bigger one on the market is compatible to 44 up to 49 millimeter. Okay? So, how we now perform this? We have here our device. Let's rotate it flip it upside down, and you see there are two areas where our two buttons are. Here's one button, there's the other button. And there is a rail. You can see the rail, and on the opposite side, there's a rail too. Yeah, okay. Now we can start assembling. Let's have a look. We have the three black dots are the outside. So we have to rotate it once. And then we can slide it from the outside to the inside of the rail. Job's done. There was a click feeling sound. Job's done. It's on. You can push the button and move it to the other side, for example. But also you can come from the other side and get it in position until you hear the click sound. If you are going to change the band direction, like here, you can slide it into position, but it will not lock in center. So then you have to rotate it 180 degrees, get it back in position. There it is. Let's go with the other side. Rotate it, get it in position. Here we are. Slide it into the rail. You can see the rail. There's the rail. There is the band. And we are getting it now in position until a click sound is there. Now it is locked. If you can feel that it is slided to the other side without a click sound in the center, push the button twice or 4 times, and then you can get it into position. Okay, now let's have it to get on our wrist. Here our wrist. We get the Apple Watch into position. The digital chrono is looking to the front side, and we rotate it to the other side. Here we are, okay? And now you can see what's going on. There's the long side, and this is the shortest side. And we are getting now both together. Here we can see. Easy peasy, eh? Job's done. Let's make a check. It stays there where it should be to stay. To open it, get this ledge in the rear, open it, job's done. But if you are performing the other side possibility, that means we start with the long side and get then the shortest side on top, like here. It will be stay there a little bit. But if I start shaking, I will lose my Apple Watch. Okay? So it's really important that you have to look what first. Get it in position and you feel it. You can see and feel it. It will be directly connect each other. Get this short side first over your wrist. Get the other side over it and let it check there. Job's done. Maybe this is a little bit too strong, I think. Then you can open it, let it a little bit out, go again. Now we are better here. Easy peasy, eh? So you can have it on your wrist secured. And of course you can change the side as you need it. You can take the long band on the other side and the short band over there. That's possible. That's up to you, like you prepare these dimensions of a wearable. That's how to use, and of course, do not lose your Apple Watch series 11, 10, 9, 8, the Ultra, and so on, using your brand new Saji gray magnetic link band. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give them a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. That's all.